Understanding the type code for the Danfoss VLT FC302 drive, the 134H8009. FC identifies the drive as a VLT automation drive FC. 302 identifies the series as 302. PK37 outlines the power rating, 0.37 kilowatts and 0.50 horsepower. T identifies the drive as a three-phase power drive. 5 indicates a mains voltage rating of 380 to 500 volts AC. E20 indicates a protection rating of IP20 for the chassis. H1 indicates a RFI class of A1/B. X indicates that there is no brake chopper. G identifies the presence of a graphical control panel. X indicates that the PCB is not coated. X indicates no mains option. X indicates standard cable entry. X indicates no adaptation B setting. SXXX indicates the latest release software. X indicates a standard language pack and indicates Ethernet/IP MCA 121 options. BX indicates no B option. C4 indicates AC0 option of MCO 305 SyncPass. X indicates no C1 option. XX indicates no software options. D0 indicates AD option of MCB 10724V DC backup. FAQ. How much does the VLT drive weigh? It weighs 5.79 kilograms. What are the dimensions of this VLT drive? It is 268 mm by 90 mm by 205 mm. What is the frame size? The frame size is A2. What is the 160% high output of this drive? The high output is 0.37 kilowatts. What is the continuous current rating at high output? The continuous current rating is 1.3 amps. Thank you for watching. Wake Industrial is your partner in progress for all Danfoss drive sales and replacements.